Now, first you have to turn on the board. How do you do that? It's really easy. Take a look over here, you have the power button. Now it's one short press and one long press until you see the blue light and you hear the beep. Okay, good. Now, our boards and our hand controllers are linked at the factory. But if you change your hand controller, you have to link it or pair it yourself. How can you do this? Over here we have the pairing button. It's the same thing as the power button. It's a short press and then a long press. And then you will hear the beep, and then you look at the hand controller and you can connect them together. And then you're ready to go. Right, now we're looking at the hand controller. How do you switch it on? Really easy, just hold the power button. You will see the Waydoo symbol. Now you see the blue light. Okay, now it's on. Now how do you pair the hand controller with the board? You hold the power button and the minus at the same time, and you feel a vibration on the hand controller. Now they are paired. You will see when you touch the board, you will see two lights here, and then when you want to go, you just hold the minus key to unlock the hand controller and the board is ready to go.